Hello everyone. Today I have the February 2020 Bijou Box, and I also have a cat here that might be getting in the way at some point because he likes to be all up in my business. But comes like this. Already cut that, but I haven't been into it. It says Happy Valentine's Day, Miranda. Then it like that, and it says Bijou Beauty Box, and on the back it has what everything is and how much it retails for. It's a cute little heart there holding the tissue paper together. Open it up, and here is peek at what's inside. First thing I'm pulling out is this Glow Addict glitter, and this retails for $10. Pink, doesn't say what it is, but that says 203 on the bottom, so that might be the number it's under on the website. Then I have some Smarties. I'm going to give these to my Nana because she loves these. And next there is this BH Cosmetics Concealer and Corrector in medium. 6-color palette there. And this retails for $7. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. Looks like this. Inside looks like this. Next we have this. Lorella Compact Mirror, which is $8. There. This is pink. Opens up and it looks like, and it has lights. And then we have this Galactic eyeliner that is $20. There. Packaging is pretty, and Tigger keeps trying to play with the Smartie bag and, well, everything. There's another Smarties. And then the last thing we have is the Lorella Sweet Valentine's palette. And it's right here. The packaging is real pretty. Plastic around it off. I like that it's sealed, but also most palettes don't have those, and they're fine if they're coming straight from the website, like, and into a box. Don't think it really needs all the plastic on it, but it's nice to know it hasn't ever been touched. And open it up, and here are the colors. Very, very pretty. And it says Be My Valentine on there. And the Sweet Valentine palette from Lorella Cosmetics retails for $20. So it is $65 total retail. And I'll be swatching these in the next portion of the video. Now I'm going to be swatching the Sweet Valentine palette from Lorella Cosmetics. Here's a look at it again. Here's the inside. First, I'm going to start out with Love Story. Looks more silvery in the pan, but on, it looks pink-ish. Then there's Hugs. Then there's Passion. Then there is Date Night. Then there's Flowers. Then there's Kiss Me, which I think is a beautiful color. Oh, yep, that is really pretty. Then there's All Mine. Then there's Cupid. Oh, that one's pretty too. Then there's Be True. Oh, and this one has a bluish shift to it. I don't know if you'll be able to see. No. Oh, my light's not gonna. Maybe I'm. But that's Be True. Then there's Cutie. Then there's Soulmate. And then there's XOXO. And then there's True Love. Then there's Be Mine. And then there's Love Potion. Put it up here. That one's pretty too. And then the last one is February. And here is the whole palette. Here is a swatch of the Galactic Precise eyeliner or marker. Looks like this. And nice, straight. It's pretty black. Kind of bleeding into my fine lines slightly. But that's all I am swatching for you today. Next, I'll be doing a try-on portion using this and the L'Oreal Cosmetics palette.